Hello and welcome back to another tutorial here on my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful granny square that has this nice motif. And this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5mm hook. And we will start our work with a magic ring. We will go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, then chain 1. And then we will loose this loop a bit. We will twist it like this in order to have now 2 loops on the hook. And we will go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop. And we now have 3 loops. Then we will grab the yarn, pull it through the first 2 loops like this. And then grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And here we have our first double crochet for this first round. This is a combination of stitches that counts as a double crochet. Next we will work double crochet, yarn over, go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, and then grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2. And we now have 2 double crochets. We will work 1 more double crochet so that we have a set of 3. And then chain 2. 1, 2. And this will be our repeat for this first round. Let's do this together one more time. So work a set of 3 double crochets. And chain 2. 1, 2. And this completes our second repeat. We will work 2 more of these, 2 more repeats, and we will meet after we complete them. Now that we have completed the remaining repeats, we will close the ring by pulling the yarn. And then we will join the work. We will slip the hook and we will go into the second stitch. This is the first one, this is the second one from the back of the work, like this, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn because we will join the second one. So we have completed round 1. We have our little square here. With our second color, we will first make a slip knot. And we will start round 2. We will go into any of these chain 2 spaces. We have 4 of them. We can go and start from any of them. And we will work 1 double crochet first. For this, we will yarn over once, place the finger like this in order to keep both loops on the hook, go into this space and work the double crochet. Next, work 2 more double crochets in this same space so that we have a set of 3 double crochets. Chain 2, And into the same space we will work a second set of 3 double crochets. This will be our repeat for the second round. So we will go and work into the next chain 2 space, one set of 3 double crochets, chain 2, and a second set of 3 double crochets in this same space. At the same time, we will carry this end in the back of the work in order to hide it. And we have completed 2 repeats of these. We are left with 2 more, and we will meet at the end of the round. Now that we have completed all our repeats for this second round, we can join the work, and we will do it in the same way. We will slip the hook and we will go into the second stitch from the back of the work and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut this yarn and join the next one. With our next color we will start round 3, and we will first make a slip knot, and we can start from any of these chain 2 spaces or corner spaces and work the same repeat as on the previous round for the corners, which is a set of 3 double crochets first, chain 2, and a second set of 3 double crochets in this same space. And next we will go into the next space between 2 sets of 3 double crochets, and here we will work a set of 3 double crochets. And this will be our repeat for our third round. We will work this repeat 3 more times for each of the remaining 3 corners, and we will meet at the end of the round. I have completed all my repeats for the third round. I have also joined the work in the same way by slip stitching into the second stitch. Next we will start round 4 with our next color, and we will work first a slip knot, and then we will start again from any of these corner spaces or chain 2 spaces. We will work this round in the same way as we did on the previous one. So for the corners we will work a set of 3 double crochets first, chain 2, and a second set of 3 double crochets here in the same corner space. For the previous round, for the sides of the square, we have made only one set of 3 double crochets, and for this round we will work 2 sets of 3 double crochets for our sides in each of these spaces between 2 sets of 3 double crochets. We have two spaces of these, so we will work in each of them a set of 3 double crochets. We have completed one of them, and we will work the second one now in the second space. And this will be our repeat for this fourth round. It is exactly the same as round 3. We will continue with this repeat for 3 more times, and we will meet after we complete them. I have completed all my repeats for round 4. I have joined the work in the same way by slip stitching the last stitch into the second stitch here. And now we will start our last round, round 5, and we will work it in the same color as the second round, but you can work in any other color or one of the colors that you have used across this design so far. And we will work a slip knot first, and then again we can start from any of these corner spaces or chain 2 spaces by working the same repeat or the same combination of stitches for the corner space, which is a set of 3 double crochets first, chain 2, and then the second set of 3 double crochets in this same space. Next, for our sides, we will first go into the next space between the next 2 sets of 3 double crochets from the previous round and work a set of 3 double crochets. And next we will start working the special motif of this granny square that makes it different from the others, and we will work one extended double triple crochet. For this we will look for the first double crochet from this set of 3 double crochets, so from the left side of the square, and this is the set from the right side, and we will look for this stitch, the first double crochet, because we will work our stitch from here through this stitch like this, and we will start the extended double triple crochet by yarning over 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then we will go into this stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then grab the yarn and pull it through one loop, then grab the yarn and pull it through pairs of 2 until the end. One time here, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. And this is our stitch. And we will work another one in the same way into this last stitch, last double crochet from the set from the right. So this is the set of 3 double crochets from the right side of the square, and we will work another extended double triple crochet. So yarn over 3 times. We will go through this stitch now. Grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then grab the yarn and pull it through one loop. This is what makes it an extended stitch. The fact that we are pulling first through one loop and then through pairs of 2. On the normal double triple crochet, we would pull through pairs of 2 from the beginning. And next we will grab the yarn and pull it through pairs of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Next we will continue to work on the side of the square by making here into the last space another set of 3 double crochets. And this will be our repeat for this last round. We will continue to work in the same way with 3 more repeats of these, and we will meet at the end of the round. I have completed all my repeats for this last round, and before joining the work we will cut the yarn. And we will join it in this way. We will go with our hook from the back of the work into the second stitch. This is the first one, this is the second. Grab this yarn and pull it through. And then again from the back of the work through the back loop only of this last stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. This way we have this nice and even edge for our square. And this is our final project. This is our final square. We can arrange it a bit here at the sides. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!